Hi guys, welcome back here on another project, as well as doing the house in Udon. I'm here in Kaen, starting another house in Kaen. So let me show you what's happening. So here there's going to be one building with a double garage here and a room, toilet, and power room, because this one's off grid. This is a solar house. So we've had a lot of rain and I'm standing in a lot of mud. So it's like a two-story house. Basically, I'll show you an image of what the house is going to be like. So the car, even though they've got a garage there, they have a drive-through under the house here on the far side there. So this is a friend of mine from my hometown, and his wife. This is where his wife's from Kaen. So the guys are just setting up camp now. So we just marked out the area for where everything's going. Like that's like the staircase down over there. Yeah, we've got 5 people on site today, just starting. We've got another 6 people coming down. So this is the well we've had just had been done. That's about 30 meters down. Same on the Udon job. This is where they all eat. We're actually renting this place for 500 baht a month, just for the guys to chill out or whatever they've got to do. They can sleep here, they can eat here, and if they want to work some steel work and stuff, they can do that under shelter, you know. As you can see, we're breezing around a fair bit here. It's actually only about 70 centimeters up there, and there's about I think it's 80 centimeters on that side. I know it looks high, but if I show you on the other side there, the actual height of what it was. There's 2 ponds here, one over there and one here. My friend's trying to acquire it if possible. Oh God, this is bad. We've been having a lot of rain lately, so I'll show you how they set up camp for living on site, because here they're not allowed to leave the site for 2 weeks. So this is the accommodation area, one of them anyway. Got the solar lights to put up, the well pump and all that, because you're sorting the electric out. Well, actually a house over the distance there, Khon, he's allowing us to use his electric, but we have to upgrade his electric from 5 amp to 15 amp that we're doing. So we talk with the PEA company. That's the electrical company, provincial electrical authority. They're upgrading the meter and the cable coming into the house, and then we're putting another breaker in for that house over there, then bringing the cable over to here for now while we're doing the build. And they're busy building the shower room and toilet. So that was the existing height, which is 80 centimeters from there to here. The distance from the road down to the bottom there It's about 96 meters by about 80 meters across, so it's a big plot. Anyway, I'll show you some drone footage of this. This is another one that we're running concurrent with the job in Udon. Because now the house in Pattaya is finished, even though it's an ongoing project, you know, as you know. So, and we have another one about 6 kilometers over on the north direction from here. So I'll show you that one on another video. And the plans for that one, you know. So there we go. Bit of a short video, but this is just an introduction to this build. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.